Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a dependency between your tasks on GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, there are two ways how you can achieve this. No matter which option you choose, guys, you will need to access your project on GanttPro first and select one of your views. Let me go with the Gantt chart here. And then guys, you will see the list of tasks below as well as the Gantt view of it here to the right, of them here, sorry, to the right. So option number one, guys, you simply hover your mouse over one of these tasks and click into one of these circles to the left or to the right. Hold your left mouse and drag that circle to the circle of the task you'd like to connect, like this one here. Release your left mouse and now both tasks are connected. That's one way. So if I, for example, left click into the given tasks, I double click, you will see the overview of the task here, and at the bottom we will see also the featured or section task and dependencies, and that's exactly the dependency we just created. So if you'd like to add a second or use option number two for that, guys, simply double click into the given task. Let me go with that example task here, but this time click into add dependency here. And then that field here under task dependencies will open up. So you may use that search bar and select one of your project tasks. So let me go with create to-do list. And then you will see the type of the given dependency. You can of course customize that as well. And after that, simply click into save or remove the dependency, click into plus, and that's it. Now, if you'd like to remove these dependencies, guys, simply navigate to the task customization, and here under task dependencies, click into that trash icon, confirm, and that is going to remove that dependency. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.